Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to enroll in the Emergency Ride Home program online. To get started, visit eCommuter.org and register or log into your profile. Then click the ERH tab here at the top. Complete the registration form with your preferred or most frequently used green commute mode and your manager's contact information. The ERH program is provided at no cost to you by your employer or residential property. The information in this form is needed to confirm details in the event that you need to use an emergency ride home. Click the agreement check and hit Submit. Once registered, visit the ERH tab again to access the instructions guide. Should you ever need to use the program afterwards, download the confirmation report and email it to info@ecommuter.org. If you have any questions about the ERH program or any of your commuting options, please email us at info@ecommuter.org.